House Attic Vent Fan DOW-136-0-34-XIN has stopped working. I checked the thermostat by bypassing it and the motor still didn't work. I'm getting full current to the wire also, so sums up to replace the fan motor. I have done this in the past but forgot where I bought the motor from. Stats of the motor are as follows: 120 volts, 3.4 is 60 Hz, thermally protected. Can you locate one, best at the right price, that replicates this? Or do you think it is fixable? Is this a 6-pole motor? Half shaft 2 3/4 inches long, 5 inches diameter, housing 2 1/4 thick.
Welcome to Just Answer. I will stay with you until the situation resolves. Grainger Industrial Supply will be able to match that motor most likely. About a 98% chance they can match it with a replacement brand. Their prices are quite competitive. If you can tell me which direction you are from the center of the nearest city, I will locate the closest branch. I will continue working with you, with no time limit, as long as you keep rating my responses positively. With not time limit over weeks or even months. Phil.
I live in Oneonta, Alabama, 40 miles from Birmingham, closer to Trussville. AL 25 miles, or Gadsden, Alabama, 30 miles. I tried to go to the Grainger in Birmingham once and they told me they only served businesses and would not sell me a motor. Is that typical? I used to buy from them in Virginia with no issue.
Hello again. About 30% of the Grainger stores enforce that policy. The rest sell to anyone and give a 5 or 10% discount to business people. There is about an 80% or better chance that Johnston Supply will have the motor. Johnston Supply Incorporated XXXXXN, Birmingham, Alabama, NNN, middle.stores.johnstonsupply.com. 2 reviews middle. Call each of the Grainger stores and ask if you can match up a motor. When they ask for your business information, tell them you do home repair work. That would be accurate, of course. If they ask for a license, tell them your jobs are all under $500 and no license is required. That's true in most states. I don't know about Alabama. If they want you to open an account, tell them you want to deal cash only and that you want to pay sales tax. List your home address and phone number. They get the person's name you talked to. Odds are good they will open an account for you, but you must talk to the same person when you go to the store and remind them that they approved you for an account. Grainger Industrial Supply, 185 W Oxmoor Road, Birmingham, Alabama, NNN, middle.grainger.com. Grainger Industrial Supply XXXXXN, Birmingham, Alabama, NNN, middle.grainger.com. Let me know how that goes. Or you can buy it online. Getting an exact match or workable match without physical inspection carries some risks. I can help you with no time limit until we find out what works in your case. Phil.
Thanks, I will. I took the old motor apart and expected to find bearings on each end. But there is a race but no bearing. Do they normally have a bearing like bigger electrical motors, or is this something different? Looks like it was filled with grease and sealed.
Hello again. Bigger motors have ball bearings on one end and ball or roller bearings on the other end. Your term race refers to that type of bearing. About 90% of smaller motors have sleeve bearings. That is a sintered brass that passes oil. The motor shaft fits inside the sleeve, and the outside of the sleeve is packed with felt, and the felt is saturated with a special electric motor oil, called turbine oil. 3-in-1 brand is for homeowners in that regard. Some are sealed, some are not. The ones that are not sealed have a plastic or aluminum plug over the bearing that you can put a few drops of turbine oil in once every 4 or 5 years. Stay in touch as needed. Phil.
Thanks, Phil, you are always so helpful.
Hello again. Let me know how if you are able to find a motor or not on Monday. We can go from there if necessary. Please don't forget to rate my work. We keep going as long as necessary, as long you keep rating positively. Thanks. Phil.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.